Hey, my peeps. This is the Real I'm Just Saying coming to serve up some Real Housewife of Potomac tea. Have a seat, and I will be back with you in a minute. Season 6 of The Real Housewives of Potomac will premiere on Sunday, July the 11th at 8 p.m. The preview for the season has been dropped, and it looks like it's going to be a season full of fun and shade. It was already a known fact that Monique Samuels would not be returning to Real Housewives of Potomac. But word on the streets is that Monique has teamed up with super producer Carlos King allegedly, and she is going to star in her own reality show. Anywho, everyone else will be returning to the Real Housewives of Potomac, along with 2 new cast members. Maya Thornton is one of the new cast members. Maya is an entrepreneur with multiple businesses, a wife with a successful husband who is 32 years her senior, and a mother of 3. Along with Maya, Ascalu Davis joins the group as a friend to Robin. Ascalu, also known as Oprah, is of Ethiopian heritage with 3 children. Giselle Bryant is returning, minus the good pastor Jamal Bryant. Giselle says that her long-distance pandemic relationship was not working well for her and the good pastor, also known as Pastor Holy Whore. Word on the street says that that whole relationship was fake, allegedly. Robin Dixon is under a lot of stress this season. She's running a business and trying to build her home and possibly plan a wedding, which is adding stress on her relationship. Word on the street says that Robin is stressing because Juan got a chick on the side, allegedly. It is also alleged that Juan never really forgave her after losing their life savings from a bad investment she made with their personal friend and Juan's colleague. Karen Yuger's marriage and businesses are doing very well, and she plans to commemorate 25 years of being with Ray in a big way this season. I'm sure that the Grand Dame and Giselle will be going at it throughout the season. Ashley Darby has ushered baby number 2 into the family. Having 2 small children is going to add more strain to her and Michael's marriage. I think Michael misses his little young party animal. I don't believe he wanted children, but Ashley is looking out for her financial future. Candace Dillard Bassett will also experience some obstacles in her marriage with her husband Chris Bassett as he becomes her husbander to help her manage her music and acting career. Word on the street says that Candace is tired of Chris's broke butt, allegedly. All his money goes to child support, allegedly. Candace wants a baller and a shot caller, allegedly. And last but not least, Dr. Wendy Osefo appears to be having marital problems as well. As Wendy goes after her dreams, her husband, Eddie Osefo, expresses that he is not getting 100% from his wife. Word on the street says that Eddie's got a chick on the side, allegedly. July will be here before you know it, and I am so looking forward to the new season of Real Housewives of Potomac. See you then. I will be back sooner if I have any hot tea to spill. Please like this video, comment to this video, repost this video, and subscribe to my channel. I am also going to place the link for the preview of Season 6 of the Real Housewives of Potomac in the description box. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos. Bye-bye.